Well, today I'm over here at Advanced Chasis, amazing place that's actually working on some of my projects, and I'd like to show you their shop. So here we go. And normally there's a lot more NHRA 6-second cars here. Everything you can imagine, from tractor pull, mini mods, street rods. A lot of customers' cars in here. Almost every week something's different. They just do an amazing job. This place is sick. I mean, everything from the parachutes to the brakes, the suspension, the axles, the chassis, of course. You know, they do a lot of custom work directly with per application. I mean, you're talking from a nice super street to full race car. A lot of fabrication. Great guys over here. I tell you what, it's just amazing. You want them to build it, they can do it. I mean, we're talking, look at this Vega. I don't even know if you want to call this a Vega anymore. There might be a couple pieces of metal on here that might be from an old Vega. I mean, come on. This place is sick. Here's an looks like an old shabby truck. Yeah. Looks like it's going to be doing some tractor pulling here, making custom chassis over here. And we got the young pup over here. Young Guns. There he is, Mr. Colton. He's been assigned actually to my personal car over here, to my Volkswagen. And as you can tell what he's been doing on this, everything from the rear air suspension to I mean, it just goes on and on. I can't get into it. Using high quality stuff, Ron Loomis Racing. He's got a whole custom design system back here. Stuff I can't do. I mean, these guys are amazing. They're doing all the 6-point roll cage, or they call it 850. So I can go down to 8.5 seconds in the quarter, which I'll never do. Check this out, A-pillars. So we can go into drifting if we needed to. But for street, I mean, it's going to be a sleeper, as you could tell. This fuel cell, and then they came in here and they made all this custom. This all can be taken out. All right, look at that. So we can take this part out and service everything, to fuel pumps, to steering dampeners, fuel cells made, electrical. I tell you what, check this out. An old I mean, they take things that people tried themselves, strip them down, and they'll redo it right. I mean, you want to see some sick stuff? Look at this. Street car, right? You're saying normal street car. Hey, watch out, that's a pretty low there. That thing's off your head. Check these brakes out. 6 piston Willwoods, vented, fuel injection. I mean, I think this is an old Caddy. Redoing the lines. Let's take a look at that truck one more time. This place is sick, I'm telling you, man. Look at this. Rack and pinion steering, all chassis. I tell you what, man, these guys here, what a great partnership, what a great place to know. Advanced Chasis.